Hi, I'm Cat Mom. Today in this video, we'll be unboxing the LG 441G. This is from TracFone and only costs about $5. It's got a 1.3 megapixel camera, 3G speed, camcorder, and MP3 player. It has more features we'll talk about in the future. To get into the phone, we gotta cut through the plastic sticky circle layer. It's transparent, so heads up. Now all that's left to do is kidnap and adopt the phone. Let's fire it up. She's running and running, so let's go through installation. Thanks for watching, and good day, ladies and gentlemen.